Stellantis snubs Canadian Parliament amid Jeep production shift. Stellantis, the multinational automotive manufacturer, has triggered outrage in Canada by abruptly shifting production of the redesigned Jeep Compass from its Brampton, Ontario assembly plant to Belvidere, Illinois. The move, part of a broader $13 billion investment in U.S. facilities, has ignited political tensions and accusations of disregard for Canadian workers and agreements. The production shift and Canadian backlash. The decision to relocate Compass production was made after a period of trade disputes with the United States under the Trump administration, raising concerns about the future of Brampton assembly. The change in plans has angered Canadian officials who allege Stellantis has ignored commitments to the country's automotive industry. The situation escalated when the company failed to appear before a House of Commons committee investigating contracts related to the Brampton plant. The no-show hearing. Despite being summoned to testify, Stellantis representatives were absent from the parliamentary hearing, citing technical difficulties. Committee Chair Kelly McCauley expressed disbelief, calling the absence stupefying, while Vice Chair Marie-Hélène Gaudreau stated she was speechless. Critics pointed out the widespread adoption of remote meeting technologies during the pandemic, questioning why a major corporation could not overcome logistical hurdles. Company response and continued investigation. Stellantis claimed it was ready and available to appear remotely, but faced undisclosed IT issues that prevented participation, despite a successful test run with the committee's IT team. The company's Canadian media representatives have remained silent on the matter. The parliamentary investigation into contracts with Stellantis continues, and the automaker has been invited to appear before the committee again next Thursday. This incident underscores a growing trend of multinational corporations prioritizing geopolitical factors over long-term relationships with national economies. The case raises questions about the enforceability of investment agreements and the leverage governments have when negotiating with large companies. The investigation is ongoing, and further testimony may reveal the full extent of Stellantis' intentions and the potential consequences for Canadian automotive workers.